In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070005 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to go to Settings. Click on System on the left pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. You'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click that Run button that corresponds to Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So as you can see, this is still loading in mine. So in your case, you have to simply search for the issue that you are facing. You can also wait for the troubleshooter to, like this one, ask you about the problem that you're experiencing and then follow the on-screen instructions and suggestions. Now, after you have run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. Now, I have some commands in here and this will be posted in the description box below. Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. Copy the first command, hit enter. The second command, and the third command, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste, and type exit, hit enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And the last thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on it under the best match. Scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click, go to properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is not running, click on start, apply, and then okay. If this is already running, click on the restart button on the left pane. And do not forget to restart your Windows afterwards. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.